For B, make a pattern using points or line segments like the ones below. So, first thing you're going to do ay yung gagawa ka ng pattern. So, kapag first ganito, kapag second ganito, kapag third ganito. Or, you can have this, kapag first, n is equal to 1, or first is ganito, n is equal to 2, ganito na. Dadagdagan mo ng tatlo sa baba. Or, isa, dalawa, tatlong level na kapag n is equal to 3. So that's our pattern. This is the pattern that we're going to use. So next is identify the sigma notation to find out how many stakes or points you will use if you draw the pattern from first to 20th. Then evaluate the sum. So we're going to identify the sigma notation para malaman natin kung ilan yung triangles na magagawa natin. Kasi what we are curious here, kapag n lang, kapag one level lang, ilan triangle na magagawa mo is 1. So if n is equals to 1, ang triangle na magagawa mo is 1. Kapag 2, ang triangle na magagawa mo is 1, 2, ito 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Kapag 3 naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Kapag 4, so on and so forth. So, it's, we could identify now. So, anong relasyon itong, sorry, this should be n. Anong relasyon ito ni n sa dito sa result, sa number of triangle? So, as you notice, kapag 1 siya, 1. Kapag 2, magiging 4. 3, magiging 9. So, as you notice, para makuha mo to siya, ang gagawin mo is 1 times 1. Para makuha mo 4, ang gagawin mo sa 2 is 2 times 2. I-times sa sarili niya. Para makuha mo si 9, ang gagawin mo is 3 times 3. Ibig sabihin yan, the pattern is n times n. Kasi 2 times 2, kapag ang n is 2, 2 times 2. So, the pattern here is n times n. So, that's the pattern that we're going to use. So, alam na natin na ganyan ang pattern. So, what we're going to do is, you're going to identify now the sigma notation. The sigma notation is E, or the summation of I started with 1. So, 1 siya, di ba nag-start? Tapos, hanggang 20th. So, 20th. And the pattern is n times n times n, or n squared. Pwede na yan siya n squared na isusulat mo dito. Or, which is equal to I, 1, 20, n squared. Paano natin isusolve yung 1 to 20? So, if you do remember, ganito ang property. Kapag I squared, it is equal to, di ba, I squared yan siya. Kapag ang I, i-change mo lang ng n. So, magiging I squared is equal to n times n plus 1 to n plus 1 over 6. What is n? Yung sa taas, 20 times 21 plus 2 times 20, 40 plus 1, 41 over 6. So, 20 times 21, that's times 41 divided by 6. The answer is 2,870. 2,870. So, kapag gagawa ka ng triangles from this one hanggang 20, bilangin mo lahat ng triangle na magagawa mo. The total is 2,870.